What if your income isn't the problem, but how you use it is? In the UK, people with average salaries are quietly building wealth, while others stay stuck for years. The difference isn't luck, it's a system. And once you understand it, everything changes. 1. The problem. Most people are stuck in the same financial loop without realizing it. You earn money, you pay bills, you spend what's left, and maybe you save a small amount. Then the cycle repeats every single month. Over time, it feels like you're working hard, but not actually moving forward. The problem isn't effort, it's structure. Saving alone is not enough, especially when inflation slowly reduces the value of your money. Even if your balance increases, your real purchasing power may not improve. Many people believe earning more will solve everything, but without a system, a higher income usually leads to higher spending. That's why progress feels slow or non-existent. Wealth isn't built from income alone. It's built from how money is managed, invested, and allowed to grow over time. 2. Start early. Time is the most powerful advantage you have when building wealth. The earlier you start, the more your money benefits from compound growth, where your returns begin generating additional returns. This creates a snowball effect that becomes stronger over time. Starting small early is far more effective than starting big later. Even a modest monthly investment can grow significantly if given enough time. On the other hand, delaying just a few years can reduce your final outcome dramatically because you lose valuable compounding years. Most people wait until they feel financially ready. Yeah, but that delay costs more than they realize. Wealthy individuals understand that time matters more than amount in the beginning. They focus on getting started rather than getting everything perfect, because the earlier the money enters the system, the faster it grows. 3. Consistency. Consistency is what turns small actions into long-term results. Many people hesitate to invest because they are waiting for the perfect moment, when the market feels safe or when they have more money available. The problem is that the perfect time rarely exists. Markets move unpredictably, and trying to time them often leads to missed opportunities. Instead, successful investors focus on regular investing. By putting in a fixed amount every month, they remove emotions from the process and build discipline. This approach allows them to average out market fluctuations over time. Some months they buy higher, some months lower, but overall, the strategy works in their favor. Wealth is not built from one perfect decision. It is built from many consistent actions, repeated over a long period without interruption. 4. UK system, ISAs and pensions. The UK provides powerful financial tools that make wealth building more efficient, but many people don't fully use them. One of the most important is the ISA, which allows you to invest and grow your money without paying tax on the returns. This means everything your investment earns stays with you, which significantly boosts long-term growth. Then there are pensions, where your contributions are supported by tax advantages and often employer contributions. This creates an automatic increase in your investment without extra effort. These systems are designed to help individuals build wealth faster, yet they are often ignored or underutilized. Wealthy individuals prioritize these tools first because they understand the impact of tax efficiency and additional contributions. Using these systems correctly can make a major difference in how quickly your money grows. 5. Mindset and behavior. Your financial future is shaped more by your behavior than your knowledge. Many people understand the basics of saving and investing, but their habits prevent them from applying it consistently. One of the biggest challenges is lifestyle inflation, where spending increases as income rises. This keeps people in the same financial position despite earning more. On the other hand, not those who control their spending and increase their investments as their income grows create a strong financial gap that builds wealth over time. This gap between earning and investing is where real progress happens. It doesn't require extreme sacrifice, but it does require awareness and discipline. Small daily decisions about spending and saving have a long-term impact. Over time, consistent behavior creates results that no single investment decision can match. 6. Reality check. Building wealth is not a quick process, and that's where most people lose patience. There are no shortcuts, no guaranteed fast returns, and no strategy that works overnight. Real wealth is built slowly through consistent effort, discipline, and time. Many people give up because they don't see immediate results. But that's exactly when the process is working in the background. Growth in the early stages feels slow, but over time it accelerates as compounding takes effect. The key is to stay committed even when progress isn't visible. This approach may not be exciting, but it is reliable. The people who succeed are not the ones chasing fast results, but the ones who stay consistent for years. Wealth building is simple, but it requires patience and long-term thinking to truly work. 7. Income growth strategy. While investing is essential, increasing your income accelerates everything. There's a limit to how much you can save, but there's no real limit to how much you can earn. Most people focus only on cutting expenses, but wealthy individuals focus on expanding their earning ability. This can come from developing new skills and switching to higher-paying roles or creating additional income streams such as freelancing or side businesses. The goal is not just to work more, but to earn smarter. When your income increases and your lifestyle remains controlled, the extra money can be redirected into investments. This creates faster growth without adding financial pressure. Over time, this strategy compounds, just like investments do. Increasing income combined with consistent investing is one of the fastest ways to build wealth in a structured and sustainable way. Now you understand the system. Start early, stay consistent, and use the tools available to you. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You just need to begin. Even small steps today can lead to massive results in the future. If you're serious about growing your wealth, watch the next video on your screen, where I break down exactly where to invest your first money step by step.